Which is, first of all, let's have a round of applause for the new guys, Josh and Mo. They've come in, and it's like Goodwill, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What are some of the attributes that you guys think these guys should know about, you know, as they're starting their time here at Social Agendas? What are some of the main attributes to focus on for these guys?
Communication, I think. I think that's an important part throughout the whole process, is being in communication with each other, everything's going on. Yeah.
I say punctuality. Obviously we're very relaxed here in the sense that it's corporate, however we may be. But being on time is a choice. And obviously certain things come into play, but just so that we can stay on top of everything, I think it should be punctual.
For sure. First thing we're going to check through core values, see if you guys know them. Give me one each, starting with the truth. Core values of the company.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Truth.
What's the line after it?
Truth for work is important. I can't remember.
What's in the brackets after truth? There's a saying. Anyone have that?
No.
Did it say it or not?
Yeah, that was
Is it? Yeah, it's say it. Alright, great, cool. We got that. Next.
Care, give a shit. I'm gonna take that one. Care, give a shit. Yeah, we care about our clients, care about the work we do and the service that we provide.
Next.
Teamwork.
What's the saying after that? There's a specific little saying. There's no such thing as.
There's no such thing as.
This is
What do you say, man?
something in the lines of if this is in my work, I shouldn't be saying
There's
that.
no such thing as it's not my job.
This is not my job.
Alright, good.
Initiative. Act before you are asked. I've been watching that
He
video
was
back.
thinking of the one that I was thinking of which one did I have to read out?
Cool. Alright, good. Just wanted to see if you guys actually taken any of those in. But look, these all tie into something else, which is your reputation, right? Which is what I want to talk about. Look, there's going to be a lot of opportunities here at Social Agendas. I want to give those to you guys first because the people who are here today are going to be the leaders of tomorrow. Yeah, Josh, why don't you help yourself out? Sit right there. So yeah, we're talking about your reputation. Now, the thing that I want to get you guys thinking about this week specifically. So we're going to do this every Monday. We're going to start thinking about one key thing that we're building every single week, right? Now, reputation. A lot of the time when I was building the first years of this company, that was just the core thing that I was focused on, purely reputation. Because when you're starting up, that's all you have to leverage. You know what I mean? Now, the work you guys do affects the reputation of the company, but more so, it affects your reputation, right? If you're going to be in this industry, if you're going to become authorities in this industry, people need to know that they can trust you. That's number one. And reputation will be built off the core values and the other core values. Now, mistakes, it's easy to have a great reputation when everything's going right and things are going well and you're always on time and there's no issues whatsoever. But your reputation when things are in conflict is what's more important. How do you respond to things not going well? Right, give an example, you having whatever you had to deal with last week, where we had to take you back, say, look, go sort your stuff out, come back. You came back Friday, and I'm sure everyone can agree, you came back with a different attitude, you know what I mean, which is what we want to see. Campaigns, results not coming in, it's pointless being stressed and all flustered about it. How are you going to make it better? No matter what the result is, it can always be better. Whether the results are great, whether the results are poor, right? Building relationships, you guys. No one, some days you're going to have no one turns up for a call or no one wants to speak to you guys or everyone's busy or there's more important things happening in the world, particularly now, where people aren't necessarily prioritizing business, right? How do you guys respond to that? Do you come at it with more patience or do you come at it with frustration, right? And these are the core things that are going to underlie whether we're successful as a team and as a company, right? Now, each one of you, I want you to think about what your reputation is right now. Okay? And in the next 3 years, right? If you continue on the path that you're all on, always close your eyes and just envision for a second yourselves, right? Now, standing in front of you, always close your eyes right now. Let's do it. We've done this exercise before, me and Jack, many a time. Now start focusing on yourself in 3 years' time, after you've built your authority, after you've delivered and continue to deliver great results for our clients, after you've become more skilled as an expert in what you do, as you become a leader of other people who want to learn what you guys do and want to become, mentees or have you as a role model. Keep your eyes closed, Josh. Let's go. Visualization is key here, brother. Now, think about what you look like. Start from the top down. Start with the trim. What trim you got? Have you got a trim? Alright? Think about, now let's go down the body, let's think about what you're wearing. Okay, imagine this figure in front of you, it's yourself. Think about what kind of clothing you're wearing, think about your posture, how do you look. Think about how you smell, what are you wearing, you got some fresh on, or you're just chilling and you got that nice floral laundry smell. What does that smell like? Right, because that's you in 3 years' time. And now I want you to imagine yourselves from your seats stepping into that body. Now if you weren't at the table, you're in that body now. That's you today. Now open your eyes. You are those authorities already. Our job here is to help you realise that and become that through what we do here. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You will have that feeling.
Yeah.
I did this exercise a long time ago. It's the NLP technique, right? And it was when we were, we were doing the street fundraising for the British Red Cross. Ultimate rejection every day. There's a man standing out there on the pavement. No one wants to talk to you. And then every day when I was coaching these new guys, talk to me, talk to the people who were doing my team, right? Changes everything. Now, if you can do that and become that quicker, you're going to get more opportunities, right? You're going to get opportunities for leadership. There's going to be opportunities potentially to invest in this company. All of those things are on the table until you take them off the table. Now, if we could do that, put you in that position, would that be a good situation?
Absolutely.
Yeah? Good. Targets, it's all about who will you become. So all right now from this meeting, who will I become through social agendas? Write that down. Now I want to just go around the room and ask you guys, how are you guys going to go about tangibly building solid reputation in everything that you do, specific to your role, starting with you, Bradley? How can you build and uplift your reputation?
It is the targets that we've set already. I think by implementing all of that and continuing to hit those targets, smash them out of the water, will be the first step. Is to just get a quick turnaround, retain as many clients as possible, rather than 85%. 85%. Obviously, minimum average of 4-star reviews, so that's heavily on the reputation. What more of the feedback I'm getting back, and also additional services which will actually help the clients' campaigns and help their business grow. So I think it also ultimately comes back down to caring, giving a shit about my own reputation and about the other clients, about all these clients' businesses.
Cool. Josh, what about you?
Just about trying to make every day better than the last day, and just trying to gradually improve every day. And just become the person I envision myself.
Okay. And what is that person? Walk us through.
An expert in what I do. I've been able to do good things for people and actually do results with Facebook ads, and just learning new skills.
Actually, listen, 17 years old, that's all he has to say. What about yourself, Jack?
I think for me it's to set an example we've spoken about creating opportunities for, you've said it many times, like 200 people. I think that's part of getting there, setting an example and just keeping the standards of the business there. And I think, yeah, me being at the forefront of it is just to maintain that.
Okay. Brilliant. George, what about yourself?
Yeah, I think the big thing for me is bringing that confidence to the table when it comes to building new relationships, which, you know, falls back to hitting those targets and getting that volume of speaking to people and learning about people, so I can then build the confidence to have that authority and build as many new relationships as possible.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, cool. Look, that's it. Just wanted to set you up, you know, get us all anchored together as a team. That's why we're coming in early, because I've seen Bradley's got calls at 9 o'clock. I'm like, geez, I'm trying to match everyone's calendars up. And I thought, you know what, if we don't kick off before doing anything with this meeting, we might well just be a little bit here, there, and everywhere. We've got, you know, you've been up north, you've obviously not been working this weekend, you were doing overtime on Saturday, you were here on Saturday, and you had your celebrations. You see, all of us have got a lot going on, you know what I mean? But this week, look, we're on the edge of having a really, really good month. And that's not just for bringing on new clients and growing as a business, that's mainly results for clients, right? We're on the brink of having one of the best months in terms of delivery and performance for them, which is the only way that we can succeed and grow, right? So like you said, those goals, retention, making sure they've got the right services to help them succeed, those are going to be key for us to do what we need to do, right? Cool, bring in team shout. This time, ready? Agenda's on 3, yeah?
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Agendas! Good shit.